Okay, so today we're practicing recording our work. So I have both sides of the tile mats built and I have the original expressions written up top. So the first thing that, the first step that was done was to flip from the bottom to the top. The only side that has tiles on the bottom is the left side. So if I'm going to take positive tiles on the bottom and flip them, put them up top, they're going to become negative tiles. Just because I can't flip these tiles, I made negative tiles here. And there was nothing on the bottom on the right side. So when I go to record this, this is how it changes. I still have 3x plus 1 plus x. But now instead of on the bottom, I have plus negative 3. That's how it changed it. Instead of -3, I have plus -3. And this side stays exactly the same. I have my -5 plus -5 plus 4x's plus 4. So that didn't change. So then it says the next thing I'm supposed to do is take off 0 pairs. So I'm going to go to this side and I'm going to take off my 0 pairs. There's only one of them. And on this side, there's more than that. I'm going to take off all the 0 pairs. There's one. Here's another. Put these up here and here. And so technically what I did is I'm combining these terms, and what I'm left on the left side, what I'm left with is 4x's plus -2. And if you take 1 plus -3, it equals -2. So I'm combining those two. And on the right side, I'm left with 4x's plus -1. And if you take -5 plus 4, it equals -1. So I took off my 0 pairs. Next thing it says to do is take off balanced sets. So on both sides, I'm taking off my x's. I can do that because it's changing the value of both sides, but I'm changing the value by the same amount on both sides. So I'm allowed to do that. And then I'm going to take a -1 off of both sides because there's a -1 on both sides. And what I'm left with on the left side is -1. What I'm left with on the right side is 0 because there's nothing on there. So which is greater? So the right side is greater because 0 is greater than -1.